Welcome aboard Just Looking, a 2000 Carver 530 Voyager, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The 53-foot Carver 530 Voyager Pilothouse was known as the best-selling yacht in her class for many years. Just Looking is in excellent condition and has been meticulously maintained and has an extensive list of recent upgrades. She has great lines and features one level for the swim platform, cockpit, salon, and galley, plus a full beam master suite, a huge pilot house with panoramic views with a spacious flybridge. There is a large swim platform that is also an amazing lounge area and adds to the ease of access to the boat and entry to the cockpit. The large cockpit gives excellent ease of movement and access to the swim platform, both side decks, the salon, and to a ladder that leads to the dinghy deck and flybridge. This cockpit is safe and secure while at anchor or underway, and there is plenty of room for chairs and a table in this wonderful space. On the bow, you are greeted with a large sunbed that is safely and easily accessible by the walk-around bow and makes this the perfect place to relax and enjoy the sunset. There is a Maxwell 2200 vertical windlass, and there is a convenient anchor washdown. Entry into the salon is from the cockpit through a massive and beautiful stainless steel frame sliding glass door that, when open, allows the inside and outside spaces to flow together. Once inside, you are greeted with a warm and inviting interior, while the sizable saloon is bathed in natural light from the generous windows. Just Looking features cherry cabinetry throughout and 5 AC heat units to keep her comfortable all year round. Flooring has been recently replaced with wood in the saloon and galley, carpeting in the cabins, stairway, and pilot house. The large galley offers a double basin sink, new osmosis drinking water system, large freezer and refrigerator, large stove and oven, and a microwave. This is a large and very functional galley with ample counter space. The lower helm area features an incredibly comfortable captain's chair with joystick helm control that seats you at the full wraparound control area that puts the controls within easy reach. Just Looking is equipped with a wide range of electronics at both the lower helm and the flybridge helm. This includes Raymarine chart plotters, autopilot, AIS, radar, and much more. The engines can even be monitored from the chart plotter. Maneuvering, anchoring, and docking are all simplified and effortless with an upgraded powerful bow thruster. The owner's stateroom uses the full beam of the vessel and has a walk-around queen with custom mattress, hanging lockers, custom drapes, new carpet, air conditioning, and a flat-screen TV. This beautiful and spacious cabin enables you to savor moments of privacy and rest and is the perfect place to relax on anchor, at a dock, or underway. The private owner's head area features a full vanity with beautiful countertop, a separate head, as well as a separate shower with a tub. The additional guest room has 2 large bunk beds and a locker. The VIP stateroom has a centerline walk-around berth with Corian shelving on both sides. Drawers are underneath the berth and lockers are to port and starboard. There's a private door to the guest head. The guest head has a separate shower, manual toilet, and a full vanity with Corian countertops. Just Looking has a large and easy to access flybridge that has an unobstructed 360-degree panoramic view. There is plenty of seating on the beautiful and newly upholstered cushions around the large table. There is even a sink and refrigerator. You are protected from the elements in the full enclosure and have easy access to the dinghy deck with a davit lift system that is just aft of the seating area. When at the large double helm seat, you have access to the wide range of electronics and controls that Just Looking has to offer. Engine room access is very easy and quick from a sizable hatch in the cockpit deck and easy and safe to go below. Just Looking has a superb engine room with easy access to all sides of both engines. The engines are powerful Volvo TMD 74 engines that produce 450 horsepower each. The generator is a Kohler 13.5 kilowatt generator. You would be hard-pressed to find a nicer Carver 530 Voyager Pilothouse anywhere. Just Looking has been well taken care of since new and is ready to go anywhere with her next owner. To book your appointment to view Just Looking, contact Little Yacht Sales.